Before you listen, here is what you will learn. In this story, you will practice study vocabulary, simple past tense, and useful words like fail, pass, improve, exam, and study. Listen until the end to learn how English talks about failure and trying again. A student studied hard all year for an important exam. He wanted to do well and make his family proud. On the day of the exam, he felt nervous, but he tried his best. A few weeks later, the results came. The student opened the paper and saw one word: fail. His heart felt heavy. He felt embarrassed and sad. He thought, I am not smart enough. At school, he avoided his friends. He did not want to talk about the exam. When teachers spoke about results, he looked down. Failure felt loud inside his head. At home, his parents saw he was quiet. They did not shout. They did not blame him. His father said gently, "One exam does not decide your life." That night, the student made a small decision. He decided to try again. The next year, he changed his habits. He studied a little every day. He read slowly and asked questions. When he made mistakes, he learned from them. Some days were hard, but he did not give up. Time passed. The exam came again. This time, he felt calmer. He wrote carefully and trusted himself. When the new results arrived, his hand shook. He looked at the paper and smiled. This time it said, "Pass." He did not shout. He did not jump. He simply felt proud. The student learned an important lesson. Failure is not the end. Failure teaches strength. If you fail, you can improve. And if you try again, you can succeed.